Past tense pronunciation. Repeat. This morning, I woke up. Then, I ate breakfast. After, I went to school. In the afternoon, I came home. Then, I did my homework. After, I played outside. I know, you played on your phone, but let's say you played outside. We use the simple past to talk about events that happened. There are irregular past tense verbs, and there are regular past tense verbs. For example, question: did you go to school today? Answer: yes, I did. Question: what did you do today? Answer: I went to school today. Went is go in the past. Question: what happened at school today? Answer: I learned English. I saw my friends. There are 3 ways to pronounce regular verbs in the simple past tense. Verbs that end in T and D: want, visit, and decide. End with ed in the simple past tense. Verbs that end in voiced sounds: stay, love, end in d. Verbs that end in unvoiced sounds: laugh, finish, watch, end in t. Touch your throat. Yes, put your hand on your throat. Hand, throat. Feel the vibration. G, v. Can you feel the vibration? Yes, you can. But try this. P, k, ch. There's no vibration. You don't feel your throat vibrating, right? Okay. Want, wanted. Visit, visited. End, ended. Decide, decided. Stay, stayed. Love, loved. Laugh, laughed. Finish, finished. Watch, watched. Practice. Put the following verbs in their group: ed, d, or t. Now write sentences using these verbs in your notebook. Produce. Leave a comment. Ask a question. Write one thing you did this week, and answer others' questions. And don't forget, English conversation sessions are every Monday in Abaco 2 in Building T from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. See you there.